think just the experience and the excitement, knowing that we can reach those levels and probably beyond. But I really hope that the experience from last year's team as well, and those good moments, we can just think about them, be positive. But every year is a new year, and we have to reach higher levels this year.
I feel that being picked in this 9th in this season, I feel like they bashed on us, and also with the talent that we have in the team will not only just help us, but we have incredible talent in the team that we can be on top of the table of this conference, and I know that we're going to prove a point this season, as well as the newcomers that just came in, and also the seniors that are going to be seniors this year will help us, and we're going to prove the conference that we will be ranked on top.
I think having everyone back and knowing what the expectations are now, last year was just kind of like, let's hope we're doing it right. This year, the senior leadership is helping us, not only pushing the squad every day, but achieving new levels in like fitness and focus and concentration, and the team wants to improve. So again, having the seniors this year is awesome, and it's a little bittersweet because we will lose them due to graduation, which we're very excited to have, our first graduating class. But again, the leadership is awesome, and they've been doing a very good job. This year it was awesome because we worked really hard in recruiting the proper tools that we needed to improve in the CCC. We're hoping they make a positive impact. They already are making a positive impact right now in our preseason and our trainings. The competitive nature and the level of practice is amazing. It feels like a game every day when they start to get after each other. So I'm really proud of the new guys that we have, as well as the old guys accepting everybody, and having the size of the roster we have at EOU. I'm hoping that we make a good impact off campus as well.
Yeah, there are a lot of new faces, and at first it's a little intimidating, but Coach Stan does a really good job at recruiting players that we all get along with, and they're not like conceited, and they're really good guys, so it's a lot of help with that. And then we do a lot of team bonding stuff that helps a lot too, like probably going to go up to a river or lake or something and hang out or like camp.
Our goal is always to compete in the conference. The conference is never easy. There are no easy games, especially this year. Everybody went out and recruited well. We expect to exceed the poll. The preseason poll put us at 9th. We finished at 9th last year, and they picked us at 11th. So this year we're hoping we finish in the top 5. But getting the playoffs is the major expectation, and then we take it one game at a time.